Hello, and welcome to Aliwal TV. In this short episode, I will be discussing the giant Trevally, found towards the end of the video, as well as other species in this footage from Aliwal Shoal. Aliwal Shoal is a rocky coral reef that has an abundance of fossilized sandstone due to the remains of an ancient sand dune. This reef is found about 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles off the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. It is this coral reef that allows for numerous different species to come together as an incredibly diverse ecosystem, such as sharks, fish, rays like the group of devil rays from earlier, and much more. Remember the blue streak cleaner wrasse that was discussed in the previous episode? Again, you can see that this cleaner fish makes an appearance, as it follows around larger marine life to rid them of parasites. Soon, you will be able to spot a giant Trevally fish. A giant Trevally is a large, powerful apex predator that tends to be very aggressive. They have an average length of over 40 inches, weigh nearly 30 pounds, and can even swim up to 37 miles per hour. Their diet consists of anything they can find and devour, including crabs, lobsters, shrimp, eels, juvenile sea turtles, and even birds. They can hunt alone or in groups, but can often be seen traveling and foraging near sharks, seals, dolphins, and other large ocean predators. Remember, if an animal can save energy, it will, similar to how people might buy pasta noodles from the store instead of making it themselves. Although it is a little tough to see, you can spot this larger, dark-looking fish approaching the side of the rocky coral on the sand. This is the giant Trevally, and despite my previous statement of this being an aggressive apex predator, it portrays a calm behavior to be cleaned by the cleaner fish. This is typical behavior for apex predators, as even though they could easily feed upon the cleaner fish around them, the benefit of allowing the cleaner fish to remove the parasites from the apex predator outweighs the benefits of eating the fish itself. Overall, the population of the giant Trevally is healthy and stable, so therefore this species is luckily not on the endangered species list. That being said, it is important to ensure that we keep tabs on their population and make sure that the fishing of this creature is limited to prevent this from ever occurring.